In a world obsessed with diets, calorie counting, and the pursuit of the perfect body, there's a movement that's challenging everything we thought we knew about eating and wellness. It's called intuitive eating. In this video, we'll explore what intuitive eating is, how it works, and why it might just be the key to a healthier relationship with food and your body. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the concept of intuitive eating, a way of eating that's less about rules and more about listening to your body. We'll cover everything from the principles of intuitive eating to a sample day on this approach, and we'll even hear what some doctors have to say about it. So, let's get started. What is intuitive eating? Intuitive eating is a philosophy that promotes a healthy attitude toward food and body image. Rather than adhering to a strict diet, intuitive eating encourages you to listen to your body's cues, eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're full. The idea is to build trust with your body and break free from the cycle of restriction and overeating. But what does that really mean? It means letting go of diet rules and learning to honor your hunger and fullness. It's about enjoying food without guilt, eating what you love, and nourishing your body in a way that feels good. The 3 principles of intuitive eating. The first principle of intuitive eating is to reject the diet mentality. This means letting go of the idea that you need to follow a specific diet to be healthy or worthy. It's about freeing yourself from the belief that there's a right or wrong way to eat. Rejecting the diet mentality can be tough, especially when we're surrounded by messages telling us we need to diet to be healthy. But by embracing this principle, you begin to focus on what your body needs and wants. The second principle is honoring your hunger. When your body is asking for food, it's essential to listen. Depriving yourself of food can lead to overeating later on. Instead, nourish your body when it asks for it. Think of your body as a car. If you don't fill it with fuel when it needs it, it's not going to run properly. The same goes for your body. Hunger is a natural signal that your body needs energy. The third principle is making peace with food. Give yourself unconditional permission to eat what you want, when you want. By doing so, you remove the power that food holds over you and can enjoy it without fear or guilt. When you allow yourself to eat the foods you love without restrictions, you'll find that you're more satisfied and less likely to overeat. It's about enjoying food in a balanced and joyful way. How to do intuitive eating. So, how do you start practicing intuitive eating? It begins with listening to your body, really tuning in to what it's telling you. Are you hungry? Or are you eating out of boredom? Are you full? Or are you eating just because the food is there? Start by eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're satisfied. It sounds simple, but it can take some practice. The goal is to reconnect with your body's natural signals. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and satisfaction you get from your food. Enjoy every bite and eat mindfully, without distractions. What can be eaten for one day in intuitive eating? You might be wondering, what does a day of intuitive eating look like? The beauty of intuitive eating is that there are no specific foods you have to eat. It's about choosing foods that satisfy both your hunger and your taste buds. For breakfast, you might start with something that energizes you, like oatmeal with fresh fruit or a hearty smoothie. For lunch, maybe a salad with a mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Dinner could be anything from grilled salmon with veggies to a comforting bowl of pasta. And don't forget snacks. Whether it's a handful of nuts, a piece of chocolate, or a bowl of yogurt, it's all about what feels right to you. There's no perfect way to eat intuitively. The key is to choose foods that make you feel good, both physically and mentally. Foods to use in intuitive eating. While there's no set menu for intuitive eating, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods can help you feel more satisfied and energized. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. But remember, no food is off limits. It's about balance. If you're craving something sweet or indulgent, allow yourself to have it without guilt. The goal is to nourish your body with a variety of foods that you enjoy. Can you lose weight with intuitive eating? One of the most common questions about intuitive eating is, can you lose weight? The answer is, it depends. Intuitive eating isn't a weight loss program. It's a way to heal your relationship with food. Some people might lose weight, others might gain, and some might stay the same. The focus is on well-being, not the number on the scale. The key is to shift your focus from weight loss to overall health and happiness. When you eat intuitively, your body will find its natural weight where it feels best. Doctors' opinions on intuitive eating. Many health professionals support intuitive eating as a sustainable approach to health. According to Dr. Evelyn Tribole, co-author of the book Intuitive Eating, this approach helps people reconnect with their bodies and build healthier relationships with food. Dr. Jennifer Gaudiani, an expert in eating disorders, also advocates for intuitive eating, saying it can help reduce the risk of chronic dieting and disordered eating patterns. Doctors agree that intuitive eating is about more than just food. It's about mental and emotional well-being too. Benefits of intuitive eating. So what are the benefits of intuitive eating? For starters, it can lead to improved mental health. By letting go of the stress and guilt associated with dieting, you can experience greater peace and satisfaction with food. It also helps you build a better relationship with food. You'll start to see food as nourishment, not the enemy. And because it's not about restriction, intuitive eating is a more sustainable approach to healthy eating habits. Intuitive eating can also reduce the risk of eating disorders by breaking the cycle of restriction and binging. Plus, it promotes body respect, accepting your body as it is and treating it with kindness. How to reject the diet mentality. Rejecting the diet mentality is a critical step in embracing intuitive eating. Start by recognizing the diet culture around you. The ads, the social media posts, the conversations that promote dieting as the answer to health and happiness. Challenge those messages. Ask yourself, is this really what my body needs? Is this promoting health? Or just another way to control my body? It's about trusting your body's wisdom over external rules. Instead of focusing on the latest diet trend, shift your focus to how you feel. Notice what foods make you feel energized and satisfied, and let that guide your choices. Results of intuitive eating. The results of intuitive eating go beyond just physical changes. People who practice intuitive eating often report feeling more at peace with food, less stressed about eating, and more connected to their bodies. One person shared that after years of yo-yo dieting, intuitive eating helped them finally feel in control of their eating habits, without feeling deprived or guilty. Another said they feel more confident and happy in their body, even though their weight hasn't changed much. These stories highlight that intuitive eating isn't about achieving a specific weight. It's about achieving a sense of balance and well-being that goes beyond the scale. So why intuitive eating? Because it offers a path to a healthier, happier relationship with food and your body. It's about trust, balance, and respect for your body and your mind. If you're tired of the diet roller coaster and ready to embrace a more peaceful approach to eating, intuitive eating might be exactly what you've been looking for. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. And remember, your body is wise. Trust it. Stay tuned for more videos where we dive into different aspects of health and wellness. Until next time, listen to your body, eat what you love, and live your best life.